welcome to Detroit, Michigan. Welcome to the home of the Lions. We get set for Thanksgiving football. And this good matchup in the NFC North.
Now everybody knows it's going to be a battle, and this team is looking to take another step climbing that mountain to the top of the NFC North.
You know what's going on? Happy thanks. Happy thanks.
Thanksgiving. Enjoy the stage. Enjoy the moment. Trust your preparation to go out there.
Oh, man. We're a tough-ass football team, man. Compete, communicate, have some fun, man. Let's go. Let's win on three. 1, 2, 3. Win. I like that.
A Thanksgiving Day football feast is in the air.
Detroit running on their goal line team very, very late.
The field, second and goal. Keenum, play action. Pass left end zone. Touchdown! Kyle Rudolph just feasted on the Lions defense on the Vikings' first offensive possession.
Good try. Come on. Good try. Good try. That's it all. That's it all.
80 yards, and the first place Vikings take a 6-0 lead.
Amir Abdullah, the single back on first down and 10 at the 42-yard line. And the ball is fumbled on the exchange and recovered by Minnesota. And right there to pick it up was Daniil Hunter.
He just didn't really look like he was expecting the ball at all. The handoff, he never takes it, and a costly turnover.
Here's McKinnon on a screen, and McKinnon breezing down inside the 20, inside the 10.
A really nice play, well-designed screen. He got some excellent blocks downfield from guys like Elflein and Easton.
A 31-yard screen pass officially from Case Keenum to Jerick McKinnon. The Vikings have it first down and goal at the 9.
Keenum out of the shotgun, leading 6-0. He fakes the handoff, runs up the middle, inside the 5, to the end zone! Touchdown!
You kidding me? That is old school option.
A little zone read as Keenum pulled it out of the belly of Jerick McKinnon and into the end zone for the touchdown. And now they all sit in a circle enjoying what looks like a Thanksgiving feast.
They had a Thanksgiving feast right there.
13 points put up in 94 seconds. Thanks to the play of Case Keenum, this Vikings offense, an early turnover by the Lions.
And Stafford goes back to pass, looks right, sees nothing, and he is sacked! It's Everson Griffin, the sack daddy!
And one of the best defensive ends in the game gets sack number 11.
The Lions are reeling defensively a bit now. A lot of confusion. Case play action, looking to the left, passing man wide open. It's Adam Thielen.
It's been the Case Keenum show here in this first half. He's played well throwing the ball. He's also the Vikings' leading rusher.
The Vikings have 2 timeouts as Keenum goes back to pass, loops it out to the right, caught by Rudolph. It was nearly picked off at the 40. Kyle goes to the 50. He's to the Lions 45, and Kyle rumbles his way to the Lions 40.
Let's go at them 7. Then we get the ball back at halftime again.
Shotgun snap comes chest high. Pressure coming. Keenum hit as he throws towards the end zone. Rudolph with the catch. Touchdown!
What a throw by Keenum under heavy pressure. And Kyle Rudolph has got his second of the game.
How good is that? A free rusher, and he hangs in the pocket and delivers a perfect ball. That's as good as it gets right there.
Nice job.
Keys to blowing this thing open, Mr. Bursich.
I would see the Vikings getting more and more ground game heavy.
One play at a time. Play hard, play smart.
They started with a run by Murray, and Latavius Murray breaks loose. Good start to this second half, out of bounds near the 30.
Keenum under center, he wants more. Goes to McKinnon, he has room, 25-20. And the Minnesota Moving Company is starting to mash on Lions for profit.
Keenum turns, gives to McKinnon again, a hole to the 10. McKinnon fights his way down to the 3-yard line.
Handoff, Latavius Murray, stutter step at the line of scrimmage. Runs to the end zone, Latavius, touchdown! 4 plays, 6 points.
Hey, they going quick.
Any momentum going into halftime, Paul, has evaporated.
Now that's the way you come out of half right there. Hit him right in the gut. That's how you impose your will. Right there.
Vikings lead by 7. Stafford deep drop, passes left. It's batted in the air. Intercepted by Xavier Rhodes. He stumbles his way to what's going to be a Vikings victory.
Hey, they can go anywhere. You look around the league and they can beat anybody.
The Vikings have defeated the Detroit Lions and have a stranglehold on their title, Kings of the North.